Hello, students. Since you all have learned how to find the limit, so now we are going to discuss some questions is about the existing of a limit of a function. We are going to see this questions determine whether the limit exists in each of the following cases. Since you have learned how to find the limit, so first we are finding the limit of fx when x approach 1, where my fx split into 2. For x less than 1, my fx will be 2 plus e power x, where x greater than 1, my fx will be 1 plus e minus x. So first, we are finding the limit for x less than 1. Now, for x less than 1, it's written as limit as x approaching 1 minus fx, which equal to limit 2 plus e power x. So we substitute the 1 into the x, we will get the result as 2 plus ex. For x greater than 1, it's limit x approaching 1 plus fx. Hereby, we will get limit 1 plus e minus x, substitute the 1 into the x, the result will be e. So since both results are different, so from the left-hand side is not equal to the left-hand side. When they are not equal, therefore, the limit x approaching 1 does not exist. Now, before this, we have seen the uh, questions where the limit does not exist. And now we are going to see another cases where the limit exists. First, look at this function. Limit fx when x approaching 2. So the function will be fx where x less than or equal to 2, which is my fx will be equal to x minus 2 power 2. In the other cases will be my fx is 1 minus 2 over x, where my x greater than 2. So first, of course, as usual, we are going to see the limit when x approaching 2 from the left-hand side, which is less than 2. So limit x approaching 2 negative x. So here the function that we use will be x minus 2 power 2. So x approaching to 2 from the left. So here we substitute the x as the 2. So 2 minus 2, we have 0. So 0 to the power of 2. Of course, we will get a 0. Then we will look at the limit approaching to 2 from the right-hand side, which is 2 plus of the function. Here we will use this 1 minus 2 over x as our function here. Then we substitute the x as a 2. So we will get 1 minus 2 over 2, where the result will be a 0. So here, look at this both. They are approaching to the same value, which is 0. Therefore, the limit from the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. Then we can make the conclusion as the limit approaching 2 of xx is exists. So here we have discussed about two cases where one is the limit does not exist and the other one is the limit exists. And thank you for the watching.